have officially exchanged contracts for our new apartment, which we will hopefully be moving in by the end of the month. We haven't had a move-in date yet, but we exchanged contracts this week. It all still feels very surreal. It doesn't really feel like this is happening. And I can't believe it's happening only 6 months after moving out into this gorgeous rental. But yes, we've exchanged contracts and we're hoping to move at the end of June, which is absolutely crazy. And I thought I would create a little moving series. I'm going to try and film some bits this week because this week we're probably going to be packing up quite a few things because we've only got 2 weeks left of June. So we will see if we're actually out by the end, but fingers crossed we are. So in these videos, I'm going to be filming just our whole journey of moving, packing everything up, sorting through things we don't need, getting any new bits for the house, and then obviously moving out and moving in. And just, yeah, I'm really, really excited to be doing this. I can't believe we're doing it twice in a year. Well, in 6 months, if I'm honest. But at the moment, we have, these are the only boxes we have at the moment. But I think the room I'm going to start with first is just like our little corridor here, because that's just got shoes in and all of my art things, and it has got things in boxes at the top. Oh my goodness, it's quite chaos in here. So those ones we don't need to pack in boxes because they're already in boxes, which is fantastic. I also zipped down to B&M today because it's my dad's wife. So technically my stepmom, but I've never called her my stepmom and it feels really weird to say that, but my stepmom, it was her birthday this week and it's Father's Day tomorrow. So I wanted to make a summery bake to bring with me. I was going to make a lemon and lime loaf. So I zipped down to B&M to grab a cake tin because we don't have one, because I don't normally bake cakes very often. I'm more of a savoury gal, you know. And there was so much in there. I had so much, like I picked up loads of things and I was like, nope, I need to just wait until we move in because there's probably more important things that we need when we actually move. But I did pick up a few bits and bobs, I'll show you them. What is in here? So we got a little baking tin and I got some baking sheets as well because I thought that was quite easy to pop in there. Little whisks, a stainless steel whisk and a silicone whisk, so I can whisk my cake in a moment. I didn't actually get anything that interesting in here. Some caster sugar. I also picked up, I'm really happy that in B&M they've started doing glass containers, which just seems to keep food a lot fresher. And I like the glass ones because, you know, if you've got something like, if you've got a red food or red pasta sauce in a plastic container, it stains it and then it just looks dirty no matter what you do. So I love the glass ones for this. But they had these little ones, which I thought would be really sweet for fruit, when we take fruit for lunch, because I end up giving me and Sam a really big container with a small amount of fruit in. So I thought they were very good. And the fruit does last a lot longer when it's in a glass container. So I picked them up and oh, I could not resist these. I haven't told Sammy I got these, but I had this really thick glass straw from Amazon, which I absolutely loved. And I don't really, oh no, I smashed the end. So it was all sharp, so I had to get rid of it. But look at these sweet ones that I found in B&M. They're all multicoloured. And I could not resist these. They were £3 and, oh, they're really nice. I love the yellow one. Yellow is one of my favourite colours. Oh, I love a straw. I couldn't resist these because I ordered some matcha, as I've been trying not to drink coffee very often because it just doesn't do things for me. It always makes me feel really sluggish and tired and drained. So I've been trying to have other alternatives. I was having hot cacao in the morning, which, oh my goodness, I would recommend to anyone. It's raw chocolate, so it's really bitter. It's not like hot chocolate, it's very bitter, but you can add honey to it, but it's still not the same, not gonna lie. But my energy levels, it's got a really high amount of magnesium in, so I felt fantastic when I was drinking that. The only reason I didn't order it again was because I wanted to see what matcha would be like. I've had matcha before and I'm not the biggest fan of it because it is very earthy. but I'm the sort of person that if it's good for my health, I'll just drink it or eat it. I don't care about taste, just eat it anyway. But I got some matcha because it's so hot in the UK right now, and having a hot cacao isn't really what I need. Officially start packing, which is really exciting. I'm very early for us. I feel like we're quite last minute. Like last time we moved, to be fair, last time we moved, we were only moving out of our individual rooms, so it wasn't so much. But I feel like this time, because we're moving out of a house, everything is already in the room that it needs to be in when we move. So it's going to be a lot easier to pack it and label it. So I'm gonna get packing some shoes. So today I had a call from the housing development and we have our official move-in date. This is all happening really, really quickly. We have 2 weeks left in our apartment. So tonight we need to do loads of things. We need to order blinds for our new apartment. We need to order bins. Please excuse my skin at the moment, it's really bad. Order bins, we need to sort council tax. We've got loads of little jobs that we need to get done to get ready for when we're moving. Do you know what the weirdest thing that happened is? In March, I booked the 30th of June off, which is our move-in date, because I just thought, you know, if we move, I just want to have a long weekend. And I booked it off, and that's our official move-in date. So I rang my dad. He's going to come down with his van and going to help me move that day. And I'll probably do some short little vlogs to keep you guys updated with what's going on as much as I can. Tell you how much I don't like moths, and there is a huge moth on the wall. Oh my god. So tonight I'm gonna make a list on my phone of all the things we need when we move into the apartment. We're really fortunate that we've got quite a lot of things already, but we still have quite a big tick list of things that I want to tick off in the new apartment, so I'll show you guys that a bit later. I'll also show you some of my inspo on Pinterest, because who doesn't love a Pinterest board? I've been creating Pinterest boards since like 2017, when I got in my head that I needed to own my car and my house. So I can't believe that I can finally actually create it in real life. And I'm also, well, I want to try and make some prints for our hallway. So I think when we come into the hallway, we want a feature wall of artwork and photographs and prints. And I want black and gold frames, because that's the kind of theme. We had a lot of black and gold in here, so if we can continue it in the new build, it will all flow quite nicely. We don't have quite enough prints for a feature wall, but I just thought, I don't know why I just don't draw them myself. They're so expensive. I've seen this print I really liked, and it's like nearly £200, and I'm gonna recreate it tonight, because there's no way I'm paying £200 for a print that I know I can create myself. So I'm gonna get cracking with that a bit later. Okay, so I haven't actually made that much of a dent on this list at the moment. So, gold curtain poles. We're not sure if we're going to keep our black curtains. We've got huge black curtains because the bay windows here are massive. So our curtains are probably going to touch the floor, which I'm really excited about. But if we keep them, we need a curtain pole. I have seen some nice ones on Denell. Black kitchen door handles. So I think I want to change the door handles in the kitchen to black because they're silver, but super expensive to change them individually, or I could spray paint them. Cushion covers. I don't know whether I'm going to keep the blue cushions or not. We only got blue in here because the curtains in here, they're not ours, and the wall is actually like a duck egg blue. So that's the reason we've got blue cushions, so may have to change them. Gold doorknobs for the chest of drawers. I've wanted to do that for ages, just haven't got round to it. New tap for the sink. I just want to change it to one that I prefer, but it's not urgent. Bathroom mirrors are a must. We don't have any mirrors, and a full-length mirror. Gold frames. I am going to look in some charity shops for them, for my gallery wall that you'll see when you come into the house. Beige pillowcases, drawer organisers, and spice organisers. That's all I've got at the moment, but I know that we're going to end up adding an absolute ton. Oh, I've just thought of one. We need another toilet brush because we've now got 2 bathrooms because we're incredibly lucky. And I'll also show you guys some of my Pinterest inspo. So this is one of the prints that I think I'm just going to recreate because what? I'm sorry. £192 for this. I'm going to recreate that in a minute, I think. Then let's see, I loved this bedding. I thought that was so cute, that little heart-shaped bedding. But I'm not really sure that's the vibe we want to go to, but love it. This sort of vibe in the lounge area. I love these canvases. I'm going to create them as well. I have got a canvas down there, which I've been meaning to paint on for ages. And I'm obsessed with these like beanbag things at the moment. I would love one of them. Sam knows I really like them. So I'm hoping maybe I could convince him that we desperately need one of those. I thought this was kind of cute as well. Loved the flicked paint on the canvas. It's really hard looking at it through here. I love a low bed. I think we are going to go for a low bed anyway, unless we get an ottoman bed, which they tend to have to be a bit taller. I love this little like, where's that red light coming from? I'm going to put my finger over that because that's really annoying. Love all of these books displayed here. I think that's so cute. I think this is kind of what like the sort of vibe I want to go for the gallery wall, like this.